From London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly.
Morning everyone, me Sam's vlog, trying to all here back another vlog. You join me walking Mr. St. Round, just currently walking up to the local Rugby Station because there's a steamer coming through, and also I thought I'd go and film Milton Keynes whilst I'm in the area too, because it's only up the road from where I live. So 3 stations in total today, Rugby, Wolverton and Milton Keynes Central. We're going to do the local first with the steamer, and we're going to do Wolverton and Milton Keynes. Wolverton's a maybe at the moment, we might not do that one, it just depends. Because I'm only allowed to be out for a few hours today because I've got some other obligations back home. But that's fine. Just currently pulling up to the station now, and hopefully there'll be a decent spot for me to see the steamer, which is actually going to be Braunton on the ECS run from Crewe to Southall. So let's get in the station and let's see the steam locomotive and any other traffic in the hour or so filming here at Rugby. Right, so I made it to the first station of the day, Rugby. It is an Avanti West Coast run station, and you've got 6 platforms. Now, you also get London North Western stopping here. Now, this station is 50-50 for me. Even though it's my local, we'll start filming the trains in a minute. Even though it's a local, I don't like how it's on 2 halves. You've got the northern end, which is platforms 1 and 2. If you've got the southern end, which is 4, 5 and 6, then platform 3 is your bay platform. And I don't really like the layouts, and there's only a few good spots you can film. Down here's one of them. Oh, it's a Voyager. We'll get the Voyager in shot. There's the Voyager. A few spots you can film. Let that noisy Voyager go. Is down here. You can see quite a lot of the area. You've also got, don't know what the hell them are stabled in there. And you've also got the 57309 rescue locomotive here as well, which is a nice win-win. Yes, so these are kind of the spots you can film. Anyway, I'm going to be here for until just after 12 o'clock, and then I don't know what train I'm going to get to Milton Keynes from there. Whatever one turns up first. I know if I get the ones at 2 and quarter past the hour, they set in Northampton for 10 minutes, but nothing you can do about that. That's just part of the timetable. The steam itself is actually going to be, it's booked to go through platform 6, but you never know, they might shove it on any old platform. It's Rugby you're talking about. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to stop blabbering on and film some trains. Right, to kick things off here at Rugby, here comes the slightly delayed 10:42 London North Western Rail service for Crewe via Neaton and Stafford. It is 350 231 on the front.
Connected to, you would believe there's 350-263 on the back. And then there goes the 1046 London North Western Rail service to London Euston from Birmingham New Street. 350-241, I think that was. Which is connected to 350-104. About to pass from now is going to be an Avanti West Coast service from, I forget where this one's from, you know now. Glasgow Central, London Euston. 390-042 it should be. Right, about to pass through is going to be a freight from Daventry to Wentlog, however how you pronounce it. here comes London Euston Chester. No idea what those numbers are, and I forgot to check. Right, 66534 is stood here on Rugby Station. It's almost like they parked the freight train now on purpose because the steam train is supposed to be going down the side of it, and I can't see where it is at the moment. 66534 is going now, so this should clear the path, and I can see the steam. Braunton's been stopped all the way up there, so we're going to get a better shot of him when she goes out on platform 6, which is probably not for a while yet. Right, we've got a tamper machine coming through. Right, Braunton steam's been through now. Yeah, I did miss a couple of trains, so I'm going to stay for another 25 minutes, and then I'm going to get the 12:27 to Milton Keynes. I was going to do Wolverton, but I'm not going to do it anymore because there's some sort of, I think it's like a points failure up near Trent Valley Junction, because there's a few trains held there for like ages. So instead, I'm going to go down to Milton Keynes for about an hour. I'll get the 12:27 service. Right, before we leave Rugby, go to Milton Keynes in a minute. Shout outs. Shout out to Sean, who I met here at Rugby Station this morning. So shout out to you. He was also here for the steam train, and I think that was it. So yeah, shout out to him. Great to meet you. Right, here we have a freight going from Daventry to Moss End.
66126 and 66122.
Right, here comes the 12:15 Avanti West Coast service to Blackpool, North on Birmingham New Street. So from 400 Euston, refit mental illness, which is 390006. For everyone's information, there's the history board on Rugby Station. This wasn't the original one, I don't think. No, and there used to be a former station, Rugby Central, which closed on the 3rd of May 1969, which was on the Great Central Railway. So there's your information for you. I'll zoom out in case you want to read it. Right, I'm going to head over to platform 5 now to catch the 12:27. I've pretty much done the majority of the filming here. I've got quite a bit of footage, so I think it'll be due for a trains at rugby video. And also I've just put that steam train out now as a bonus. And I'm going to hit Milton Keynes for now. I'm not going to do Wolverton, mainly because I don't really have time and I don't like it. So, because I've got to be back in about 2-3 hours, so I'm going to hit Milton Keynes. And the final train I'm going to film, because I'm going to head down to Milton Keynes, it's a 12:27 service, which I'm expecting to be quite busy. Right, what have we got? 128 and what's on back? Well, it's looking promising. 113. We'll take the back unit, which is ridiculously packed. But oh well, it will do. Oh, hopefully there's. Hopefully there will be a seat. Oh, for flip's sake.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016.
Right, there goes the 12:49 London North Western Rail service from Crewe to London Euston. (35128) on the front. And 35113 on the rear.
Avanti West Coast, service to Milton Keynes.
Right here, folks, I made it to the second and final station that I'm going to do today, Milton Keynes Central. It is a London North Western Railway station, and it's got 6 platforms. You also get Avanti West Coast trains stopping here as well. Here for I'll probably get the 14:19 back, and then I'm also probably going to go to the Greg's, which is outside the station, and then get home. I've just realised on my last visit to Milton Keynes, when I was changing trains here,
55 Avanti West
they haven't got the Amy here at Milton Keynes yet. It's one of the London North Western stations which has still got Anne. But when I was last here, we had snow. Today we have drizzle, which is a bit annoying because it said it wasn't going to be raining today. Annoying. Also, forgot to mention this when I was at rugby. I'm wearing a t-shirt that says easily distracted by trains. It's also, surprisingly, if I just zip up my bloody coat, I'm going to have a bloody struggle here doing it with one hand. I'll do it in a, oh no, got it. Surprisingly, not that cold compared to what I thought it was going to be. I think it's going to get colder tomorrow though when we go out for that steam at Leamington, which will be the next vlog that you see after this one. Right, here comes progress of Avanti West Coast 39119 from Manchester Piccadilly to from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. I'll get my stations the wrong way round. There's 66423. Sam almost forgot to film it. Tesco train.
West Coast service.
Today has been a good day on the West Coast Main Line in terms of variety. Few sheds, and also we've had both progress and opportunities about to come through. It is which is a nice bonus. So, yeah, Wolverton, I know I was going to do it, but decided no. I might fit Wolverton in at some point, because I'm sure I'll be down the south route at some point, because I'm hoping that down Bletchley Way, the Marston Vale line will be fixed soon, and they'll have 150s as opposed to the 230s which entered administration. Well, the 230s didn't enter administration, the company Viva Rail did. There goes 390 1-to-1 opportunity working the, let me just bring it up for you guys. The slightly delayed 1327 Avanti West Coast service from Liverpool Line Street to London Euston.
Join our customer panel to help us improve. Find out more at LLR.UK.
Just delivery on it, it's just amazing. Damn. What a beauty. That's my second favourite Pendolino after my beloved 390 155, and that's closely followed by 390 119. Right, we're going to have the 720 from Rugby to Wembley. $720 124. Right, we've done the hour, so now I'm going to go to get the Greggs and go this way actually. Too many people down that end. And then, oh, just as bad down here. And then we're going to go get the train home. I have lunch. I'm now going to go get the train home. Eat this on the train. I don't think it is a 2-mile train, you know, because I think it's the one I got to Milton Keynes. So it should be a 1, and hopefully it's not as full as it was earlier. Maybe I'll be able to get a table seat, we'll see. Right, here comes my train to take me home. What have we got? I don't think this should be a 2. I remember right, this should be a 1. Yeah, it is a 1. 113 to be precise. I was expecting this train to be somewhat quiet.
Next stop will be Rugby.
Yeah, I know. I was expecting this train to be somewhat quiet, but it's actually relatively busy. Not packed, but all the bloody seats are taken, aren't they? Of course they are. Right, I'm home. I am. Good day out. We did 2 stations instead of 3, but not a big deal there. We'll do Wolverton another time, and besides, Wolverton is my least favourite out of the 3. Rugby I'm still 50-50 on. Milton Keynes is epic. Rugby was epic too, because we got obviously the Braunton steam through there, and we also at Milton Keynes got opportunity and progress in the space of about 15 minutes of each other or so, something like that. And yeah, so I'm going to end it here, folks. If you want to become a member, you can do. Completely optional. Very much appreciated. And that was a nice Greg, because I had to have a train home too. That train, how I said I was going to get a bloody table, we're blooming busy. Train seems to be getting just blooming busier and busier lately. So yeah, like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below some feedback will be appreciated, and if you're not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free, and hit the bell for all notifications so you don't miss the next vlog and videos and whatnot. Take care, folks. Cheerio. Bye all guys. Peace out.